Hi, this is Mindful Marks, episode 02, the After School Reset. If after school is the hardest part of your day, one-word answers, snapping, tears, or total shutdown, this is for you. Here's the reframe that changes everything. That crash is often not attitude, it's recovery. A lot of autistic and neurodivergent teens spend the whole day using every ounce of energy to cope. Noise, bright lights, fast transitions, unclear expectations, social pressure, masking, and the constant feeling of being watched. They hold it together until they get to the safest place they have, home, and then the nervous system finally lets go. So if your teen falls apart with you, it may actually mean you're the safe person. Not that you failed. Let's make this practical. Here's a simple 3-step reset you can use today. Step 1. No questions at the door. It's so tempting to ask, "How was your day?" or "What happened?" But questions require language, memory, and emotional processing, exactly what an overloaded brain can't access right away. Try one sentence instead. "Hey, you're home. You don't have to talk right now." Or, "Let's do snack and quiet first." Step 2. Meet the body's needs before the brain's needs. Overwhelm gets louder when the body is depleted. Offer the basics without pressure. Food, water, low light, a hoodie, headphones, or silence. Use a 2-choice menu. Snack or shower first. Quiet in your room or quiet in the living room. Headphones or low music. If your teen says nothing, you can still support them by making the environment smaller. Dim lights, lower noise, reduce demands. Step 3. Protect the decompression window. Choose a consistent time block, usually 20 to 60 minutes, where there's no homework battle, no chores, and no "tell me what happened," just recovery. Name it so it's predictable. Reset time, quiet landing, decompression first. A script that feels kind and firm. We can do the next thing after reset time. Right now, your job is to recover. If your teen starts snapping anyway, go simpler. Fewer words, lower voice, more space. "I hear you. I'm giving you space. You're not in trouble." We can pause. We'll talk later. One thing to try tonight. Before your teen comes home, set up a landing zone. Snack ready, lights dim, a quiet space available, and decide your one sentence. Because after school isn't the time to teach. It's the time to help the nervous system come down. If you want the matching post and resources, they're linked in the notes. No pressure. Just here.